Thanks for being on the show here today, Oliver. Well, tomorrow's the day, I suppose. What do you think about right now? And just keep in mind that no matter what you say, it doesn't matter come 11 o'clock Central tomorrow.
So that's exactly right. And as you always say, we're always waiting on another report.
Yes, always wishing our lives away. I can't stand that.
Right. And tomorrow's another great example of that. And as you had mentioned on top of the report, it's just end of the month, end of the quarter. So you're going to have a lot of money flow flying around. And we've seen these commodity markets, not just the grain sector, but look at some of the precious metal markets, the energy markets. Things are really starting to move and volatility is starting to pick up, which I think is a good thing. Starting to see a lot of opportunity. But speaking on the grain specifically, we've had a nice 3-week rally here in the corn market. And if, 3 weeks ago when May corn was at 610 and you were wishing, hey, man, I wish I would have sold something at 650. Well, here's your opportunity to at least get some hedges on. And if you're looking at the new crop contracts, new crop weekly options and short dated options are a great way to help manage your risk if you're a producer with a shorter term time frame, which obviously lowers that premium you're going to spend on options. Yeah,
that's a great point of view. And, as we said, the last couple of years, because the prices were so high, the volatility was as well. The use of options was a great way to kind of manage your book. It's also a great way on the flip side, when things are low, when things don't look too good down at the bottom, it's also another way to get in there and maybe you can enhance your yield.
Yeah, absolutely. The options are great. And typically we've talked about this really for the first 3 months of the year with you guys on your show, talking about the CME CVOL index bottoms out in the spring, February and March, and starts to rally. And we're starting to see that. And I think this volatility is going to continue to rise. Obviously, there's a lot of uncertainty. Money flow and commodities is starting to fly around. So things are going to stay interesting for quite a while. And again, options are a great way to either get some market exposure or hedge risk while kind of limiting that exposure at the same time.